Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by locking down who you're speaking to and what success looks like. This shapes every creative choice. Once done, select the best performing concept from quick tests and build a 15-30-second vertical video that opens with a compelling hook in the first 1-2 seconds. Make sure to caption the video, add one clear call to action, and switch to a pro account for analytics. Publish during your audience's peak hour and monitor immediate engagement to inform the next edits. You now iterate rapidly. Run a/B tests across copy, thumbnail, and music to learn what drives clicks and watch time. Once you see a clear winner, expand audiences using interest clusters and lookalikes, but stagger them so results remain interpretable. Make sure to split test budgets, keep tests small, then triple spend on winners while watching CPM and conversion rate. Also, refresh creative every 7-10 days to avoid fatigue and maintain TikTok's algorithmic favor. You finish by tying performance to outcomes. Verify TikTok pixel events fire and UTM links track conversions. Once confirmed, shift most budget to the best funnel combinations and set rule-based scaling to preserve ROAS. Make sure customer comments and DMs are monitored for real-time feedback and quick social proof. If metrics suddenly dip, troubleshoot in order. Creative first, then bidding, then audience overlaps. If needed, pause and replace the underperforming element rather than redirecting budget blindly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.